A journalist's role in society should be asking questions to the authorities on behalf of the people, in the interest of the people and the interest of the society, in the interest of harmony and in the interest of oppressed communities and poorer sections. He should ask questions and get right answers also. Just asking questions doesn't it won't end there. That's it.
So do you think, is it happening what you said right now?
No, it's not happening, and questions are assassinated in a way. Questioning is forgotten completely. Journalists they have forgotten their basic duty to question the authorities.
So what do you have to tell about independent journalists? Because we know most of the big journalists who have left the mainstream media and they've started their own venture, So what do you have to tell? Because do you think this has the future now? Why people are coming from the mainstream media and opening their own portals or websites or YouTube channels? What could be the reason, sir?
That has to be the future. That is the future. That should be the present, because large capitalists are press is taken over by large capitalists and industrial houses and vested interests. And vested interests and capitalists, they can't safeguard they are the ones who exploit people, exploit society. They can't safeguard people's interest. So that's why true journalists, who are worried about the journalism going to dogs, they are coming to, they are risking their lives and they are risking everything, and they are coming forward to do this independent journalism, which is very, very necessary. Only independent journalism can think about the larger good of the society.
So fake news is also a part of journalism now.
Fake news, it's a conspiracy. Fake news is a conspiracy promoted by a ruling class of the society today, because fake news kills logic, kills the thought process. So once they kill the logic and thought process, they want people to think in a certain way. They want people to react in a certain way. And once thinking is taken over by emotions, people cannot make good decisions, That's the purpose of fake news also. And fake news factories have been established by ruling party all over India. Fake news factories have been established, and fake news is poisoning the minds of the people.